In this session, I'm going to show you how we can print prime number series, okay, from starting range or ending range. So here we'll take both the ranges from the user itself. So here I have used the scanner class as object, okay, to take a input from the for the starting number and also to take an ending number from the user itself. Okay, so once that is done, okay, here outside the main function I'm going to create a function, okay, which says whether the from starting range to ending range which numbers are prime numbers. Okay, so here let me create a static function, okay, which returns us the boolean values, okay, which returns a boolean value saying that it is a value prime or not, okay, prime or not function. Okay, so like this, first let me take one integer value n, okay, and here what we have to do, here we will say the result, okay, result. So here result I am assuming that it is true, okay, whatever the value of n is, that it is a prime number. So let me take this boolean value here, boolean, boolean value as result, which is true, I'm assuming. Okay, now I have to check. So I'll use a for loop saying that from integer IU start from 2, okay, I should be a less than, okay, less than that particular value n, okay, and I plus plus. Okay, in this to keep checking that if the number entered by the user, okay, if modulus of I gives us the answer remainder as 0, if this is the case, then that particular number is not a prime number. So what we will do, the result value we are going to change it into false, okay, and then break the program here itself. There is no further need to continue the program because our value has been changed to false itself, okay, or else the value remains true only, and that is what after the for loop we are going to return 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 the result value, okay, either true or false. So this value, okay, so let me just print it here like this. Okay, now this function, okay, prime or not, I'm going to keep calling inside a loop which starts from the starting number and ending number. Okay, so like this, I will use for, okay, integer I, let's say we are starting from this starting number which the user will enter, okay, and I should be less than or equal to this ending number. Okay, then keep on incrementing the value of I. Okay, in this one check, okay, if the prime or not, okay, prime or not function for this value I, if it is true and if it matches like this, if true equal to true, okay, then that we will print that particular value of I. We will say it like this, system system dot out dot print, okay, that value of I, and we'll concatenate little bit of space after each character. So here what is the value, initialize a variable, it is saying, okay, initially we'll keep it 0, okay, and here sorry, this is not required here. Okay, here we have done a small mistake, here it is not the starting value, the second time it is the ending value. Okay, so here I will say enter a starting number, starting starting number, here I will say ending number, like this. So now let's remove of this all white spaces, extra white spaces, and here also. Okay, now let's save this program and let's run it. Okay, so when I run this program, so it's asking for a starting number, let's say I enter starting number as 1, okay, ending number as let's say 100. Okay, so now it has to print all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, so it is starting from 1 itself. Okay, so let us do one thing, starting number, if I give it as 1 or 2, it is going to print that also. So we'll run this program once again. Okay, I'll start the number from 3, okay, and ending number I'm going to give it as 100. Okay, see guys, see from 3 to 100 it is printing me all the prime numbers. Okay, so let's run this one more time. Okay, this time let us say the starting range I'm going to give it as 100, okay, and ending range, let's say we give 1000. Okay, so it is going to print all the prime numbers from 100 till 1000. Okay, that is the last value is 997. Okay, so this is how you can print prime number series. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next topics.